दुकानाव लाबोना दोनफायो.
That is why they say buy one and get one for free.
बेनिखायनो दिनै दुकानफोराव फानग्रा बे बजारफोराव बेबायदि लिरनाय थायो मोनसे बाय अब्लानो मोननै मोनगोन होननानै.
But don't be cheated by that.
नाथाय बेबायदि लिरनाय नुयोब्ला थगायजानो नाङा.
Because when you pay for one, you also pay for two.
मानोना बेबायदि लिरनाय दङब्ला नों मोनसेनि थाखाय बायदोंब्लाबो नोङो मोननैनि दामखौ होखानांखागोन.
If you have one, you want to have another.
नोंथाङा जुदि मोनसे बायोब्ला मोनसेखौ मोननो लुबैयो.
So it is no longer the buyer, it is no longer us who decides what is needed, it is the seller who decides what you want.
बेनिखायनो जों बुंनो हायो जे जोंनो मा नांगौ बेखौ बायग्राया थांखि लाया, नाथाय फानग्रायासो थांखि लानानै साननानै लाबोना होयो.
Now there is a different kind of market.
बेनिखायनो बे बजारनि रोखोमफोरनि बाथ्रा जों रायज्लायनो हागौ.
This market is not like the vegetable market or the clothes market that you go to.
आरो जोङो दिनै जि बजारनि बाथ्रा रायज्लायनो नागिरदों, बेसेननि बाथ्रा रायज्लायनो नागिरदों, बे जाबाय बे गलाफोर बा बजारफोरनि बाथ्रा नङा.
This is the market that you bring yourself every day to be sold.
बे बाजारा जाबाय
It is the market of the human beings, of the human souls.
बे बाजारा जाबाय मानसिफोरनि जिउनि बजार.
You are like a slave, like a product, and someone is looking to buy you.
दिनै नोंथाङा सासे मोनसे बेसादफोर बायदि जि बेसादखौ मानसिफोरा बायनो नागिरबाय थादों.
It is the spiritual market.
बे जाबाय आत्मिक जिउनि मोनसे बजार.
The moment you are born,
जेब्ला जि समाव नोंथाङा जोनोम जागोन,
you are put up as a product for sale.
नोंथांखौ मोनसे फानजाग्रा मुवा बादिहै नायनाय जागोन.
Human souls for sale.
मानसिनि जिउ, जि जिउखौ फाननाय बादिहै जों नायनो हायो.
If the price is right,
बे बेसेना जुदि थिग ना, नंगौ ना,
many of you will be willing to trade off even your own soul. You will be willing to sell yourself.
दिनै गोबां मानसिफोरानो गावनि जिउखौ आरो गावखौ फाननो नागिरबाय थादों.
Jesus said, what will it profit a man if he gains the whole world but loses his own soul?
जिसुआ सानसेखालि बेबायदि बुंदोंमोन, जुदि गासैखौबो मोननानै, बुहुमनि गासैखौबो मोननानै गावनि जिउखौ जुदि खोमायोब्ला मा मुलाम्फा दं होननानै.
You may be able to gain the whole world. You may become very rich. But if you lose your soul, you gain nothing.
दिनै नोंथाङा बुहुमनि गासैखौबो मोननो हागौ, धोनि जानो हागौ, नाथाय जिउखौ खोमाना लायोब्ला बेयाव मा मुलाम्फा दं?
Jesus was tempted by the devil in Matthew chapter 4.
मथि 4 बालाबाव जों नुनो मोनो जे जिसुआ सैतानजों आनजाद लाजादोंमोन.
The devil came to Jesus and says, just bow down and worship me once.
बे मोदाया सैताना जिसुनि खाथियाव फैना बुंदोंमोन, आंखौ खनसेल' खुलुम.
And all these things that you see will belong to you.
आरो दिनै बेबायदि खालामब्ला नोंथाङा जेसेबां नुदों बे गासैबो नोंनि जागोन होननानै.
Jesus said, you shall worship the Lord your God, and him alone only you shall serve.
आरो अब्ला जिसुआ बुंबाय, नोंनि फोरबो इसोरखौल'सो खुलुम आरो हेवा खालाम.
This was the day when Satan wanted to buy you from Jesus.
बे खालिनो आरो बेबादियैनो सैताना जिसुनिफ्राय जोंखौ बायनो हास्थायो.
That day Jesus said, no, this man, this woman is not for sale.
आरो बे खालि जिसुआ बेबायदि बुंबाय, नङा, बे मानसिफोरा फानजानाय मानसि नङा.
Jesus says, I have paid the highest price ever possible, the price of my blood, for this one.
आरो जिसुआ बेबायदि बुंबाय, बे मानसिखौ बायनो थाखाय आं आंनि बेसेन गोसा थैखौ होनानै आं बायखाबाय, बे नोंनि जानाय नङा.
My brothers and sisters,
आंनि अनजाग्रा बिदा फंबाय, बिब' बिनानावफोर,
even as you sit there right now,
दा बे समायाव बेयाव जिरायबाय थानाय समायाव
Satan is still negotiating a price, hoping that there is still a chance that he can buy you.
बे एखे समायाव दायो सैताना, मोदाया जोंनि बेसेनखौ रायज्लायबाय थादों. बियो जोंखौ बायनो हायो नामा होननानै बिनि खाबु नागिरबाय थादों.
Now there are two persons in the entire world who has been given the power over your soul.
बुहुमाव सानै मानसिनो नोंनि जिउखौ लांनो हानाय क्षमता होनाय जादों.
Those two persons are Jesus.
बे सानै मानसिनि गेजेराव सासेया जिसु.
Jesus created you, and that is why he has got the power over your soul.
जिसुआनो नोंथांखौ सोरजिबाय, बेनिखायनो नोंथांनि जिउनि सायाव जिसुहा क्षमता दङ.
And the second person is yourself.
आरो नैथि व्यक्तिया जाबाय नों गावनो.
Jesus has given you a life.
जिसुआ नोंनो जिउ होबाय.
He has given you authority and power over your life. He has given you a choice to make.
जिसुआ नोंथांनो क्षमता होबाय, सायख'ना लानो, बासिना लानो नोंनो बोलो होबाय.
Jesus will never give you up.
जिसुआ
He will never sell.
नोंखौ नागारनाय नङा.
He will never sell you to the devil.
बे नोंखौ माब्लाबाबो मोदायनो फाननाय नङा.
Because he knows how precious you are.
मानोना जिसुआ मिथिगौ नों बिनि मेगनाव बेसेबां बेसेन गोसा.
But if you are not careful,
नाथाय नोंथाङा जुदि केयारफुल नङाब्ला, सांग्रां नङाब्ला,
it is possible that you can sell yourself to the devil.
अब्ला नोंथाङा मोदायनो गावखौ फाननो हागोन, गोरलै जागोन.
If you are not careful,
जुदि नोंथाङा सांग्रां नङाब्ला,
it is possible that not only yourself, your entire family can be given up to the devil.
नोंथांल' नङा, नोंथांनि गुबै न'खरानो सैताननो फानजागोन, मोदायनो फानजागोन.
My dear friends,
आंनि अनजाग्राफोर,
Christians do not negotiate with the devil.
ख्रिस्टियानफोरा मोदायजों सावराया.
The Bible says, resist the devil and he will flee from you.
बाइबेला बेखौ बुंदों, मोदायनि हेंथा गसं, अब्लानिया बे मोदाया, सैताना जोंनिफ्राय खारगोन.
We do not negotiate with the devil. We do not communicate with the devil.
जोङो मोदायजों, सैतानजों जोङो रायज्लाया, बिथांमोनजों, बिसोरजों जोङो बाथ्रा बेसेननि दाम दर खालामा.
The Bible never says talk to the devil.
बाइबेला माब्लाबाबो बुङाखै जे मोदायजों सावराय होननानै.
The Bible only says resist the devil.
बाइबेला बेखौल'सो बुंदों जे बे मोदायनि हेंथायै गसं.
All the talking and all the negotiation has been done by Jesus.
गासै सावरायनाय, रायज्लायनायखौ जिसुआ खालामखाबाय.
And the devil knows that he doesn't have a chance.
आरो मोदायाबो बेखौ मिथिगौ जे मानसिफोरखौ बायनो बेहा खाबु गैया होननानै.
You see, in Luke chapter 14 verse 27, we don't have to turn to that, but yeah. It says, whoever does not bear his own cross and come after me cannot be my disciple. Luke chapter 14 verse 27.
लुकास 14:27 सिरियाव बेबायदि बुंदों, सोरबा जुदि गावनि क्रसखौ बाननानै फैयाब्ला आंनि सेला जानो हानाय नङा.
Whoever does not bear his own cross
जायानो गावनि क्रसखौ बाननाय नङा
and come after me cannot be my disciple.
आरो गावनि क्रसखौ बानालासिनो आंनियाव फैयोब्ला बिसोरबायदिया आंनि सेला जानो हानाय नङा.
If you are Jesus' disciple, if you are a follower of Jesus, you need to carry your own cross.
नोंथाङा जुदि जिसुनि सेलाब्ला नोंथाङा गावनि क्रसखौ बाननानै फैनो नांगोन.
There are three things that Christ demands from you to be his disciples.
जिसुनि सेला जानो थांनायाव जिसुआ नोंथांनिफ्राय मोनथाम खामानि हास्थायदों, नागिरदों.
The three things are, he demands all of your mind.
बे मोनथाम बाथ्रानि गेजेराव मोनसे जाबाय नोंथांनि गासै बोलो.
He demands all of your body. All of your body.
नोंथांनि गासै देहा
and all of your heart.
नोंथांनि गासै गोसो.
These three things.
बे मोनथाम मुवाखौ, बेसादखौ.
The problem with many Christians today is that they give their bodies to Jesus on Sundays.
दिनै जोंनि ख्रिस्टियानफोरनि गेजेराव गोबाङानो देवबारखालि गावनि देहाखौ होयो, मोदोमखौ होयो जिसुनि मुङाव.
They put their best dresses on Sundays and they all the makeups and go to church on Sundays.
मोजां गाननाय जोमनायखौ गाननानै मेकआपफोर खालामनानै गिर्जायाव देवबारै थाङो.
They give their minds during the morning and the evening time.
फुङावबो आरो मोनानि समावबो गावनि गोसोफोरखौ होयो.
They think if they have done 5 minutes of prayer in the morning and 5 minutes of prayer in the evening, it is okay.
फुङाव जुदि 5 मिनिट प्रार्थना खालामोब्ला, मोनायाव जुदि 5 मिनिट प्रार्थना खालामोब्ला बे थोबाय होननानै जों सानो.
But they don't care what happens in between those times.
नाथाय बिथांमोना बे बाथ्राखौ मिथिया जे बे प्रार्थना आरो बे गिर्जा होनायनि गेजेरनि समायाव मा जाबाय थायो.
Many Christians give their hearts to Him during troubled times when difficulties come.
गोबां खृष्टानफोरानो जेब्ला गावनि जिउआव गोब्राब समयफोर फैगोन, सैनांनायफोर फैगोन, बे समायावल'सो जिसु ख्रिस्टनो गावनि जिउखौ होयो.
They cry so hard during those times, and when the storm had passed, they are back to their normal living.
जेब्ला बेबायदि सरासनस्रा जिउ खांबाय थानाय समायाव माब्लाबा गोब्राब समफोराव बारलांगोन जिउथिं, बे समायावल'सो जिसु ख्रिस्टखौ नागिरो.
That is why we need to give Jesus all the tree that we have.
बेनिखायनो जिसु ख्रिस्टनो जोङो बे गासै मोनथाम बेसादखौबो होनो नांगौ जायो.
The mind is very important.
बे जोंनि साननाय सिन्ता मगजफोरा जोबोद दरखार.
Our body is very important.
जोंनि देहायाबो जोबोद गोनांथि.
Our heart is very important.
जोंनि गोसोआबो जोबोद गोनांथि.
Jesus says, set your minds on the things above and not on earthly things.
जिसुआ बेबायदि बुंनायमोन, नोंथां नोंसोरनि गोसोफोरखौ सोरगोनिथिं लाखि, बे बुहुमाव नुनाय मुवा बेसादनि सायाव नङा.
You have heard of